Hey guys, this is a small announcement I want to make. So I recently I made a video about my language tips, how you can learn any language easier and have more fun in the process. I want to also create some of the videos in different languages I speak, because I think this is like the sixth tip of mine. If you want to get to another level, if sometimes you don't have enough practice, you wish to you don't really like to miss all the language you learned so far. This is my way of improving my languages, all the languages I speak, because it's very difficult to get a lot of practice in every language I speak. So I'm looking forward to making some of the new videos on this channel in different languages. So please don't be discouraged. Please, I hope you will understand my process. I wish that maybe this will inspire you to learn new languages. And if you support my further videos in different languages, although you don't really speak them, it would be absolutely perfect. So thank you guys, and see you soon. And I promise you I will make in other languages, other videos in English too, but just this is will be a small fruits in my fruit cake. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.